Good morning class. In the biology I am going to teach you the circulatory system in human beings. As you know, circulatory system is made up of three things: heart, blood vessels and blood. Circulatory system carries the blood from heart to all part of the body and brings back to the heart. Bring back to the heart from all part of the body. सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम का काम होता है हार्ट से प्योर ब्लड को पूरे ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी को सर्कुलेट करना और दोबारा से वापस डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी से इम्प्योर ब्लड को कलेक्ट करके वापस हार्ट तक लाना. दैट इज सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम एंड इट इज मेड अप ऑफ हार्ट, ब्लड वेसल्स एंड ब्लड. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डिस्कस द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ह्यूमन heart. As you know, human heart is situated in our body in a left side and its size is like our fist. हमारी मुट्ठी के बराबर इसका आकार होता है जो हमारे शरीर के बाईं साइड में लेफ्ट साइड पर होता है. And our heart is made up of 4 chambers. 2 upper chambers are called auricles and 2 lower chambers are called ventricles. See, this is the right auricle and this is the left auricle. These are the upper chamber of the heart. It is made up of thin membranes, thin muscular cells, and the two lower chambers are called ventricles. This is the left ventricle and this is the right ventricles. And there is a muscular cell that separate the auricles and ventricles by a septum. Septum is a muscular wall that separates the auricles and separates the ventricles from left to right. All the walls will be separated to each other by septum. And there is a 2 walls are present in our hearts. In between right auricles and right ventricles there is a wall present that is called tricuspid valves that stop the flow of blood from ventricles to auricles. Ventricles से auricles में वापस blood जाने में रोकता है this valve. And when this valve open, then the blood comes from right auricles to right ventricles. And there is another valve that is bicuspid valve. Bicuspid valve separates the left auricle from the left ventricles. ये left auricle और left ventricles को सेपरेट करता है. इसके बीच में एक वॉल्व होता है जिससे कि यहाँ पर ब्लड जब ओपन होता है तो ऑरिकल्स से वेंट्रिकल्स में तो ब्लड आता है लेकिन वेंट्रिकल्स से वापस ऑरिकल्स में जाना नहीं पाता. सो दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द ह्यूमन hearts. The blood flows from auricles to ventricles through these valves. The valves between right auricles and right ventricles, as I told you, tricuspid valves, and the valves between left auricles and left ventricles is called bicuspid valves. Now, second content of the circulatory system is blood vessels. Blood vessels, there are 3 types of blood vessels are found in our body, in our circulatory system. First one is veins, second one is arteries, and third one is capillaries. Veins are thin membrane cells. Veins जो होती है वो बहुत ही thin membrane cells होती है and they are occur in under our skins, so we can see it is easily. हमारी स्किन्स के नीचे ही होती है वेन्स जिससे कि हमें दिखाई देते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे हम अपने हाथ में देते हैं ब्लू पर्पल कलर की वेन्स दिखाई देती हैं. दिस इज द वेन्स. दे आर सिचुएटेड अंडर आवर स्किन्स and veins carry the impure blood from all part of the body to the hearts. And second one is the arteries. Arteries are deep situated under the skin. ये हमारे स्किन के अंदर होती है. That's why we cannot see. हमें arteries नहीं दिखाई देते. And they supply the pure blood from heart to all part of the body. And third one is capillaries. Capillaries are the thin networks of vein, and they join the veins and arteries. Capillaries join the veins and arteries, and they are very thin in structure. Now, third one is blood. As you know, our blood is in red color, and our blood contains RBC, WBC and platelets. Our blood is made up of three cells: red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. Red blood cells in red in color just because of a pigment present here is hemoglobin. हमारे red blood cells में hemoglobin पाया जाता है, that is iron content, that's why they are red in color. WBC, white blood cells, protect our body from infection. blood cells का काम होता है हमें infection से बचाना. And third one is platelets. Platelets are manufactured in the bone marrow. Platelets हमारे bone marrow में बनते हैं, and these bone marrow are present in our long bones that are present in our body. The solution part of the blood is called the blood plasma. जो इसमें liquid part होता है, these cells are present, and the liquid part that is called blood plasma. And the red blood cells and the white blood cells and the platelets are manufactured in the bone marrow of our long bones. The bone marrow is a soft, fatty tissues present in the bones cavities. Some white blood cells are made by livers. White blood cells are made in livers. And bone marrow is present in the hip bone, heart bones, hip bone, breast bone, skull, vertebra, ribs and shoulders bones, thigh bones and arm bones have the bone marrow. Now the red blood cells of RBC, as I told you, is due to presence of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is the iron content that is present in our blood. The white blood cells protect our body from the infections, and they producing antibodies in our body. So white blood cells are also called the soldier of our body. Now the function of the blood. As you know, blood found in a liquid form, so it transport our food nutrient from blood to all part of the body. That food we eat, then we absorb the nutrient from the food. These food nutrients will be supplied by blood through all part of the body, and the blood is the vehicle for metabolic communication between the organ of the body. And blood transport oxygen from lungs to the tissues and CO2 generated during the respiratory metabolism to lungs for excretion. And blood transport nutrients from small intestine to the liver and the other parts. It also transport waste product to kidney for excretion. So these are the function of the blood. Now it was the function of the blood. I would like to conclude my video. If you have any problem, you can ask me, and thank you.